me, I can cut. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tatiana here, and this video is going to be two types of girls. So, like, if you know what I mean, this is one type, this is another type. You get the memo. If you would like to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So I hope you enjoy this video and just keep on watching. No, not school! Shut up. Fine. Shut up. What a wonderful day. Yeah, Walmart makeup will have to do.
Give me some.
Well, hello there, Emily.
Me? Wow. Hey, Jimmy.
Well, hello there, Brooke.
Hi. All right. Time to go to school. Oh, it's time for school. Just gotta go head out and drive.
Cheney. Here it is. Abby Wambach. She's level with.
No, trust me, I can cut.
Here, Tats.
What? How'd you know? Thanks. I love me some Nutella.
Here, Tati.
Oh my gosh, thank you. How'd you know? I love flowers. Always gotta look cute for bed, even though no one's here. Gotta look good for myself. I mean, who needs cute pajamas anyways? Honey, learn a thing or two. I will always be in black. Oh, how much I love my bright colored clothes. Girl, I just got my nails done. I got a manicure and fake nails. They're so luscious. Like, look how long they are, and they're beautiful. Girl, I don't even know how to paint my own nails. Like, what? So guys, that was the video. What'd you think? What'd you think? If you liked it, then thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.